Hey fans, welcome back to the channel Ibsen Tech Tutorials. Today, we will be creating our own custom ringtones for our iPhone. For starters, you'll need to get the song you want to turn into a ringtone. The song I'm going to use came from the YouTube audio library. I'll put the link in the description. To get started, let's open up the music app on OS X Catalina. If you don't already have the song in your library, let's go ahead and drag it into your library. Locate the song that you're using, drag it over. Now that we have the song added, let's go ahead and select the song and right-click it. Let's click on Get Info, Options tab, and in here we'll have a start and stop point for the song. With ringtones, we can do 30-second clips. This will work for notifications and ringtones on our iPhone. For this tutorial, we're going to start our song at 20 seconds. And for 30 seconds on this clip, we're going to end it at 50 seconds. Now that we've selected our time frame, let's go ahead and click on OK. Now that we've got the song created with the time frame that we want, let's go ahead and make sure the song is selected. Click on File, Convert, Create AAC Version. Now that we've got the song converted, let's go ahead and click on the song, right-click, Show in Finder, and here we are. The song we have, Immortal, is in .m4a. This is the AAC conversion. With the AAC conversion done with .m4a, let's go ahead and select it, right-click, click on Rename, and this extension here at the end, M4a, for it to work as a ringtone, let's change the A to R. This is how the phone will recognize that it's going to be a ringtone. Okay, so now that we have done that, let's go ahead and make sure that we're using the .m4a version and go back to Music, connect your device, and here I've got mine. Go ahead and select it and click on Sync Settings. What this will do is open up the phone in Finder, which is how they do it in Catalina now. With this open, let's go ahead and go back to our song. Drag the .m4a file on top of the settings right here. This will add the song to our phone. Now that we've got the song on our phone, let's go ahead and open up our phone. All right. So now that we're on our phone, let's go ahead and go to Settings, Sounds and Haptics, Ringtone, and as you can see, we now have the Immortal ringtone on our phone. And that, my friends, is a tutorial on how to add your own custom ringtone to your iPhone. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Remember, smash that subscribe button and like this video for more tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.